This is Rap Daddy D coming to you live from the bowling lanes. Bowling is a sport that I love most to play. I dream about knocking pins down night and day. And now just between you and me, I can't get enough of the pros on TV. Watching them get strikes, frame after frame, and hoping to see a perfect game.
Grab the ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. Grab the ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane.
But if they leave an errant miss, they look as if they'd just been dissed. See the look in the winner's eyes when he gets a trophy and a nice cash prize. After they finish their final frame, I grab my ball and shoes and head down to the lanes. Grab your ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. Grab your ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. I step on the approach and set up my shot. Look out everybody, see what I got. I rev up the ball and the pins are all scattered. Someone yells my shot and I feel really flattered. But after practice is over, it's time to hit the lanes. Begin dreaming about bowling again. Grab your ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. Grab your ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. There's a bowler named Norm Duke. His success is real, it's not a fluke. You can turn on the PC and plug in the modem, but you can't bowl like Curtis Odom. If I were a scientist, you know who I'd clone? That's right, a bowler like Parker Bone. Grab your ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. Grab your ball, now take aim. Watch it roll down the lane. We don't roll on Shabbos.
Finish him!